My name is Calvin. This is Edmonton Bike Shop TV, presented by Giant Edmonton.
Here are the 5 steps to tubeless tire conversion. The first step to your tubeless tire conversion is to clean your surface that you'll be working with, the rim and the tire included. We use isopropyl 99 to prepare the surface. Also, a lint-free rag definitely helps out. If you've had the tubeless glue in here before, you will follow the same steps. Remove the old glue as much as possible manually, and then again, clean the surfaces, pull off all old and remaining glue from a previous job. Step number 2 in your tubeless tire conversion is applying the supplied rim tape from Giant Bicycles. We want to start on either side of the valve hole, applying the tape 10 to 15 centimeters before the valve hole, continuing around the rim, and 10 to 15 centimeters on the other side. We do want a large overlap. That just adds a lot of strength when we go to apply the valve stem later on. Step number 3 is installing the valve on the rim. After applying the rim tape is your next step. Make a small X with an X-Acto blade, push your valve through the hole, and tighten the valve nut securely with your fingers. Finger tight, it's all you need. Step number 4, installing your tire. The first step is to use Giant's tire bead lubricant applied to the bead of the tire before installation. When you're installing the tire, make sure the bead on either side of the tire is in the middle of the rim before we do the inflation. You do not want to damage or distort your tire bead. A normal tire lever would not be used in this application. Giant has made and designed a tubeless tire installation tool that works very well for this job. If you are going to be doing this at home, we have these tools here in the store for you to purchase. Come on by, we can even show you how to use them. Step 5 of your tubeless tire conversion, we are going to add the lube and inflate the tire. First, we remove the core. There's a special tool that is supplied with the tubeless conversion kit. It only requires finger strength to remove it. On road bikes, cyclocross bikes, we are going to add 30 milliliters of tire sealant. On mountain bikes and larger volume tires, we are going to add 60 milliliters of the tubeless tire liquid. After pouring the liquid into the valve core, reinstall your valve core using the same tool, finger tight. Make sure your pump is ready to go. We're going to inflate the tire to maximum pressure. You want to take a look at the tire safety line. It's a bead safety line that is on every tire. You want to look for a continuous line above your rim. If it is still not in the bead itself, we want to deflate it, add a little bit more of the bead lube, and again, back up to maximum pressure to try to have that pop back into the actual rim bead itself. Once we've added the fluid, we want to inflate the tire to maximum pressure, and we want to rotate the wheel for a couple of minutes just to make sure that the sealant gets through everything. You may see a little bit of sealant leak out through the bead, maybe even a small perforation in the tire. That is quite normal.